Hey, second grade. Today you're going to get back your mountainscape that you've been working on. You also need to get one black strip of paper off of the supply table. And you're also going to need to come to me at some point, you don't have to do it right away, and get your picture of yourself that we took last class. To start off with, I'm going to take that black strip of paper. You need to tear it halfway all the way down. So really take your time so you don't accidentally tear it where you don't want to tear it. Tearing it pretty close to down the middle, like this. I'm going to take one half of that and I'm going to crumple it up. What I'm doing is that when I crumple this up, now I'm going to have all these crinkle marks in that black sheet of paper. And that's going to help give that little strip of paper some texture, so it's not just smooth. It makes it kind of look bumpy and jagged like an actual rock. Smooth it out just a little bit so it's easier to glue. And I'm going to put some glue on this. Usually I tell you not to use lines of glue. I think we might need it today though, so I'm going to use lines of glue instead of dots of glue, because I think that'll help it stick a little bit easier to this painted paper. So I'm crinkled it up, put a line of glue on the back, and now I'm going to glue this so it's flat along the bottom and it lines up with the edges. Make sure it touches the bottom of your paper. We don't want a floating mountain. You can flip it over, give it a little back rub. Careful not to give yourself a paper cut along the edge of that paper. You can throw away this other little strip of paper. And the last thing I need to do is you need to get your picture of yourself. Carefully cut it out. No bubble cutting. You need to cut yourself out nice and neat all the way around the edge. If you have trouble seeing where the edge of you is because maybe you had a black shirt on, please let me know and I can help you out. Carefully cutting out around myself. Also, if you are in a pose like me where there is some background that you can see between your arms, you can also bring that up to me and I will use my little X-Acto knife and cut that out. Got myself cut out. Just need to use that little knife quick. Cut out the inside of my arms. And after I've got myself cut out, I'm going to glue myself down. Probably use dots of glue for myself, unlike my little black strip of paper. This paper should stick pretty well to our background. Dots of glue, make sure to get it on the head and the legs and the arms so we don't have anything dangling. And you're going to glue yourself down. You can put yourself in the middle. You can put yourself off to the side. It's up to you where you glue yourself. Notice that I put my feet a little ways down on the black. It's probably hard to see it up on the smartboard, but I didn't put it right on top of the black. I actually put it down just a little way so it looks like I'm actually standing on the rock. When you are this far, you've glued down that black strip of paper and cut out yourself and glued yourself down. This can go on the drying rack as low as it can go.